Good morning, dear kids. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to express the number in exponent form, that is power form, right? So today I am going to teach you, or we are going to see something new, that what will happen if we repeat the negative numbers, right? Let's see how will it form. So here is your first session, that is work out. We have to work out with this. Means what? We are going to find the value, right? So let's see the first one. -1 multiplied by -1. So this can be written as -1 whole square, right? -1 whole square. So here you can see that power, or we can say exponent, power or exponent, that is equal to 2, right? Here you can see that power and exponent, that is equal to 2, right? And if I want to find the value -1 square, that is -1 multiplied by -1, that is equal to 1 ones are 1 minus minus plus 1 ones are 1 minus minus 1. So the value, right? The value will be plus 1, right? Value will be plus 1, right? Let's see another one. -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1. So we can say it can be written as -1 is repeating how many times? 3 times. So here the power, or we can say the exponent, that is equal to 3. The power, the exponent, that is equal to 3. And if I want to find the value, that is -1 cube, that can be written as -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So the answer will be -1. Barabar? Let's see another one. Now I will perform directly. -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1. So it can be written as -1 raised to 4, right? So here the power is 4. Power क्या है? यहाँ पे 4 है. और if I want to find value, then -4 raised to 1 is equal to 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, right? So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So what will be the value? The value will be the plus 1, right? Value will be plus 1. Got it? So let's see over here. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times it is repeating? It is repeating 5 times. So here power will be 5, and the value will be -1 raised to 5. So that will be -1. -1 raised to 5, that will be -1. How? So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So your answer will be -1. But here -1 is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So it can be written as -1 raised to 6, where power is 6. And let's find the value. The value will be -1 raised to 6 is equal to, आंसर तो अपना वो नहीं आएगा, बराबर? अब साइन की बारी, तो साइन देखते हैं. माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस माइनस प्लस. So what will be the answer? The answer will be +1, right? चलो बी 7 और उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, -1 आएगी। उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, -1। और लास्ट सम में जो आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे -1 कितनी बार, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 कितनी बार रिपीट हुई है, 8 टाइम्स रिपीट हुई है। तो उसका पावर आएगा 8 और उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, +1। राइट, अब ध्यान से देखो। राइट, वी विल ऑब्जर्व द पावर को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे पावर क्या है, यहाँ पे पावर 2 है। यहाँ पे पावर क्या है, 2। इसका पावर क्या होगा, पावर की बात कर रहे हैं, इसका पावर क्या है, 3। यहाँ पे पावर क्या है, 4। इसका पावर 5। इसका पावर 6 7 एंड 8। बराबर। अब देखो यहाँ पे 2 4 6 8। राइट, 2 4 6 8 डेटा इवन पावर। उसको कैसे पावर बोलते हैं, इवन पावर। और उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, वैल्यू विल बी +1। वैल्यू विल बी +1। तो जब भी कोई नेगेटिव नंबर का पावर इवन आएगा तो उसकी वैल्यू +1 होगी। और यहाँ पे देखो 3 5 7, यहाँ पे देखो कौन सा नंबर आया, 3 5 7। बराबर ने, राइट। और यहाँ पे देखो कौन सा नंबर, 3 5 7, कौन सा पावर है, 3 5 7 1। उसको कौन सा पावर बोलते हैं, उसको ऑड पावर बोलेंगे। राइट, और ऑड पावर की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, वैल्यू विल बी -1। उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी, -1 आएगी। देखो यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ। राइट, कौन सा पावर है, इवन पावर, वैल्यू आई +1। कौन सा पावर है, ऑड पावर, उसकी वैल्यू आई -1। समझ में आया कि जब भी कोई नेगेटिव नंबर का क्या बोलेंगे उसको, राइट, इफ इट हैज even power, then the answer will be positive, and if it has odd power, the answer will be negative. आंसर क्या आएगा उसका, नेगेटिव आएगा। राइट, समझ में आया क्या बोल रहा हूं। तो यहाँ पे देखो कुछ लिखा है, क्या लिखा है, राइट, -1 raised to odd number, right, the answer will be negative. And -1 raised to even number, the answer will be positive. So what we can say that if the negative number contains odd power, if the negative number contains odd power, right, comma, then we can say that the answer will be negative. The answer will be negative. समझ में आया, if the negative number contains odd power, the answer will be negative. And if the negative number contains which power, even power, right, even power, तो तो उसका एग्जांपल क्या आएगा 2, 3 सॉरी 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, right. Then the answer will be positive. समझ में आया? The answer will be positive. અને odd power ના જો મારે એક્ઝામ્પલ આપવા હોય તો કેવા એક્ઝામ્પલ આપશે? એક્ઝામ્પલ will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, right? Then the answer will be negative. Got it? સમજ માં આવ્યું શું કહેવા માંગુ છું તે? બરાબર. નેગેટિવ નંબર ને ઓડ પાવર છે તો આન્સર નેગેટિવ. નેગેટિવ નંબર ને ઇવન પાવર છે તો આન્સર આવશે આપણો પોઝિટિવ. બરાબર. ચાલો let's see few examples. Find the value of. Now we are going to find the value of the first one. The first one it is a 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5. So how we can find the value? So that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here 3 is repeating how many times? 5 times. So I have multiplied 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 how many times? 5 times. Chalo 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Multiplied by 3 3s are 9. So 27 multiplied by 9. 7 9s are 63. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that will be 243. Right? It will be 243. समझ में आयो केवी રીતે કરો છે? એકદમ ઈઝી છે. Second one, B. What is given to you? 2 raised to 8. So that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 and 8. Means what? We have to repeat 2. How many times? 8 times. Now try to multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 4 8 8s are 64. Multiply by 4. Try to make it simple. So 64 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, that is 25. So the final answer will be 256. So 2 raised to 8 is nothing but 256. Got it? Sure. Next one. C. C क्या है यहाँ पे? -3 raised to 4 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. But it can be written as -3 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Right? इसको expanded form में लिख लिया. So that is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus multiplied by 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus pairing कर लिया यहाँ पे और 5 5s are 25. So that is equal to 9 9s are 81. पैर के साथ multiply करो. Multiply by 25. So here 81 multiplied by 25. How many 0? 1 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Plus 5 1s are 5. 8 5s are 40. So यहाँ पे 5 2 10 carry on 1 and 2. So that will be 2025. और यहाँ पे देखो माइनस पे कौन सा पावर है? इवन पावर है, इसलिए मेरा आंसर क्या आया? पॉजिटिव आया. समझ में पड़ू? समझ में पड़ू? समझ पड़ू दिखाओ. नेक्स्ट वन D. 11 raised to 3. So it can be written as 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. 11 11s are 121 multiplied by 11. If you multiply, let's multiply. multiply 121 multiply by 11. 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1. So answer will be 1, 3, 3, 1. Right? It is very easy. It is one form of multiplication. Right? E minus 4 raised to 3. Chalo, this can be written as minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Chalo, 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Now about sign. Minus minus plus plus minus minus. Now here you can see that negative raised to odd number. The answer will be negative. Right? So then F1 minus 1 raised to 1000, that is equal to 1. I will write directly. And what is the reason? Because 1000 is even number. 1000 is even number and negative raised to even. The answer will be positive. The 1 repeated થાય છે એટલા માટે. Second G 1 raised to 250. So 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So your final answer will be 1. Right? 1 raised to anything. The answer will be 1. Right? Be careful about that. Now H minus 1 raised to 121. Now here the answer will be negative 1. यहाँ पे आंसर -1 आएगा. क्यों -1 आएगा? Because 121 क्या है? Is odd number. 121 क्या है? Odd number है. The -1 raised to odd. The answer will be -1. That's why the direct answer will be -1. No need to repeat 121 times, right? पूरा पेज भर जाएगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट दिमाग का इस्तेमाल किया. दिमाग क्या कहता है कि 121 ये ऑड नंबर है, इसलिए मेरा आंसर आएगा -1. ये सिर्फ -1 के लिए है. -2 होता तो शायद मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता. बराबर. एंड द लास्ट वन I that is क्या लिखा है? आई थिंक सो 10,000 raised to 0. तो यहाँ पे नोट लिख करता हूँ. Any number raised to 0, anything raised to 0, answer is always 1, and that we have studied in lower class, right? Anything raised to 0, the answer will be 1. સમજમાં આવ્યું શું કરવાનું છે તે કે try to expand and simplify normally. Now next pattern, identify the greater number in each of the following cases, right? So here we have to find which one is greater. So let's begin with the first example. It is 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 2. What is 2 raised to 3? That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, right? And 3 raised to 2. That is 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So if I compare, what we can say that 9 is greater than 8. 9 कैसा है? 9 is greater than 8, which implies what we can say that 3 raised to 2 is greater than 2 raised to 3. બરાબર. બહુ ધ્યાન આપવાનું છે અહીંયા. નંબર એટલે હું એક ચેક કરવાનું. ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર આપવાનું કામ નથી. Second one, શું કહે છે? 10 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 10. બરાબર. ચાલો તો let's see. 10 raised to 2. So that is 10 multiplied by 10. 10 tens are 100. And 2 raised to 10. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Hey. 1 2 3 4 5 multiply by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 multiply by 32. Let's multiply 32 multiply by 32. 1 0, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. So 4, 10 and 10. So that is 1024. So what we can say that here? Here 1024 is greater than 100. So therefore we can say that 2 raised to 10 is greater than 10 raised to 2. બરાબર ચાલો let's see the third one શું કહે છે 3 raised to 5 and 5 raised to 3 ચાલો 3 raised to 5 so that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 ચાલો 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 multiplied by 9 so 27 multiplied by 9 7 9s are 63 9 2s are 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 so that will be 243 and 5 raised to 3 that is 5 into 5 into 5 that is 5 5s are 25 25 5s are 125 so here 243 right if I compare 243 is greater than 125 therefore what we can say that 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 3 so in this way we can solve the sums here simplify right now બધા મિક્સ ટાઈપના સમ હશે તેને આપણે સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરીએ first one minus 2 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 3 raised to 2 चलो एक्सपांड करो so that is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 so that is equal to 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 right minus minus plus plus minus minus જોયું minus 2 ને 3 છે ઓડ પાવર એટલે minus 8 multiply 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus જોયું even power એટલે આન્સર આવ્યો plus and 8 9s are 72 plus minus minus તો તમારો ફાઇનલ આન્સર શું આવશે minus આવશે चलो क्लियर થયું એકદમ इसी को एक समझे निकलाओ चलो सेकंड वन b minus 3 raised to 5 multiplied by minus 5 so that is equal to minus 3 1 2 3 4 5 the below minus 5 that is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus multiply 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus multiply 3 5s are 15 minus minus plus so that is equal to 9 9s are 81 multiplied by 15 see બહુ બધા નંબર થાય આપણે પેડિંગ જ કરી દેવાનું એકદમ ઈઝી કોઈ થઈ જાય રાઈટ ચાલો મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દઈએ 1018 5 1s are 5 8 5s are 40 so 5 1 and 12 so that is equal to 1215 બરાબર જોયું એકદમ સિમ્પલ ફોર્મમાં આપણે પેલું કરવાનું છે એકદમ સિમ્પલ ચાલો 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 9 raised to 0 plus 10 raised to 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 7 raised to 0 now dear students be careful વચ્ચે પ્લસ આપ્યું છે તો ભૂલ પડવી જોઈએ નહીં ચાલો 10 raised to 3 that is 10 into 10 into 10 बराबर 9 raised to 0 anything raised to 0 1 बराबर એટલે ફર્સ્ટ સેશન નો આન્સર આવ્યો is plus let's try to solve this 3 into 3 into 3 multiply by 2 plus 7 raised to 0 that is 1 7 raised to 0 that is 1 ચાલો હવે એને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દઈએ 10 tens are 100 100 tens are 1000 plus 3 3s are 9 9 6s are 6 9 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 અને 27 2s are 27 2s are that will be 54 પેલો +1 બધું પ્લસ છે તો એડ કરી દેવ so the answer will be 1055 એડિશન તો આવડવું જોઈએ હવે બરાબર so be careful sometimes addition આવે છે ત્યારે આપણે થોડું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું રહેશે right ચલો then t d that is 6 raised to 3 multiplied by 7 raised to 0 plus minus 3 raised to 4 minus 9 raised to 0 right चलो पैडिंग कर लिए એટલે डिवीजन આપણું સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ થઈ જાય so that is equal to 6 raised to 3 so 6 into 6 into 6 multiply 7 raised to 0 1 plus minus 3 કેટલી વાર રિપીટ થાય છે 4 times બરાબર minus 9 raised to 0 that is 1 so that is equal to 6 6 are 36 36 6 are 6 6 are 36 6 are 18 19 20 21 that is 216 multiplied by 1 that is 216 plus 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 27 3s are 81 minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus and finally minus 1 so that is 216 प्लस इसको हम माइनस करेंगे आंसर आएगा 80 अब ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे आंसर विल बी 296 आंसर શું આવશે આપણું 296 got it and let's see the last three example chalo next 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 so this can be written as 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 means 100 and 3 multiplied by 100 is 300 see very simple example but we concentrate with the sum sum માં શું કહે છે તે સમજવાનું છે 3 raised to 1 multiplied by 1 raised to 10 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 so that is equal to 2 raised to 3 that is 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 1 raised to 10 तो इसका आंसर 1 ही आएगा क्यों क्योंकि 1 को कितनी बार रिपीट किया 10 टाइम 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 so answer will be 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 का क्या आंसर आएगा उसका आंसर आएगा 40 10 10s are 100 100 100s are 10,000 बराबर क्योंकि कितने रेस टू कितने पावर है 4 तो 4 0 लगा दो 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 multiplied by 10,000 so that will be your 80,000 समझ પડે છે દીકરાઓ અહીંયા શું કહ્યું 10 ના રેસ ટુ કેટલા પાવર છે 4 તો મારે 1 ની પાછળ કેટલા 0 લગાવવા પડે 4 0 લગાવવા પડશે and the last sum that is g 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 multiplied by 2 so that is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 means 1 के पीछे कितने 0 लगाने हैं 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 multiplied by 2 चलो 0 into anything 0 multiplied by 2 again 0 into anything answer is 0 right so in this way we can solve the examples